The featured hair for this video is this EZBRAID braiding hair. It says it's with Spetra fibers, and from what I saw online, Spetra fibers are basically antibacterial fibers. They say clean and easy. The hair is already pre-stretched. They have a special anti-itch formula, so I guess we don't have to wash the hair ahead of time. I was about to wash the hair, but I said let me try and use this hair without washing it to see if what they boast is actually correct. So I wasn't sure how much I would need, so I got 4 of the number 2. Like I said, I was going to wash the hair first, but I decided against it just to test. I'm testing on my head, but just to test to see if it works. So I got the yellow and I also got the green. Originally I was inspired by a Bob Marley picture I have on my computer, and I wanted the red, gold and green. But when I went to the hair store, I went to 3 hair stores, and 2 of them had this hair and neither one of them had the red in this length. Those colors are so vibrant. I'm loving this. So I did settle with this, the golden green, because I am Jamaican, so this is going to be a Jamaican style. It went from Rasta style to Jamaican style, but yeah, I think it's going to look really nice. I washed my hair yesterday and twisted it up just so I could get around today. I wasn't really planning to braid my hair, but since it's already pre-sectioned, I'm just going to use those pre-sectioned parts and just plait my hair. These are about the size I want the braids anyway. So the first row is just 3 braids, and I'm going to start off with the black hair first. My hair is already very moisturized and oily, so I don't have to do much to it. I mentioned before, the hair is very soft. It feels really nice. I got this in a color too, I mentioned before. I'm usually a 1B, but they didn't have any other black shade, so it's not going to be a huge difference from the 1B anyway. So I think I'm going to do about my thumb's width. A bit thicker than my thumb, thicker than a sticker. I'm going to do thicker than my thumb. About that should be okay. And we're off. Now this is going to be a protective style, so I don't want to put too much pressure on my hair. I'm going to be splitting this section into 2, like so. Starting my braid off like this. This is the first braid down. It's feathered pretty well, so it should make this style go so much quicker. It's the hair is a hot water set hair, so when I'm done with all of this, I will dip it in water. So I'm going to do some more, and then when I get to the color, I'll show you how the color is looking. Just over 30 minutes and I've gotten this much done. So I've done the first 2 rows. And then these 2 at the front. I'm going to start to add the color to this row. I just didn't want the color all the way at the front, so I'm just going to get this row here and start adding a color. Which one should I add? Green or yellow? I'm going to do some yellow for the first peekaboo color row. So far the hair is really easy to put in. It's just over half an hour and I already have this much done. This hair, I'm really liking it so far. It's really soft. It has a slight smell of let's say of dolly hair, but it's not bad. If this can stay in my hair without causing an allergic reaction or making my head itch, this will very, very easily become my favorite braiding hair. I'm down to my last 2 braids, and I have 1 pack of the black hair left. I don't want to open the pack just for 2 braids. So what I'm going to do, because I have some of the colored hair left, this is all I have left of the yellow and the green, I'm going to take 2 of the black ones from the middle back, and I'm going to put that at the top and then put these at the back. Then I'm going to dip them in water and you will see the end result. So I kind of dropped the ball with this video. I did not come back to show the end result. These are some clips from another video I was recording, which kind of showcases the hair, how it looked when it was done. The hair did not itch. That was one of the things I needed to update you on. I've had the hair in for 3.5 weeks. I'm about to take it out now. I hope you enjoy. I will be listing all the information in the description bar. This is my last video of 2018, so I will be seeing you next year. Happy New Year!